Welcome back, guys. I'm super excited to have you in this video. So here we'll be exploring the benefits of you registering your business. The benefits are so many, but I've just selected a few and I'm just going to rush them through because I don't want the video to be too lengthy and perhaps become boring. So let's get started. The first is that you can start earning immediately. You can monetize immediately. By the time you are done with this entire course, you know how to register your business, and you can also do it for another person because it is very easy. So you can begin to monetize, you can begin to market yourself and tell people you know, some maybe your friends or your colleagues that are into business. Tell them, come on, let me open this thing for you, and then you charge them between 20 to 30,000. Okay, so there are some charges applied to opening the business, so you just need to charge them a little thing above this charge so that you can also make profit for yourself. So you can just start monetizing immediately, and that's an awesome big time benefit. Now secondly, it means that you will legalize your business. In the last video, you heard me say that people operate their business illegally. All right, so if you don't register your business, it doesn't matter how long you operate, you are operating an illegal business because it is a law that you must register your business. The government must know what you are doing, and then you must pay taxes accordingly. So without registering your business, you are just operating an illegal business, and it is difficult for you to scale. Very, very difficult. Right? So for you to make your business legal, you just need to get it registered, and that is the step you are taking now, which is a very good one. The next one is that you have access to grants and loans. Okay, periodically, that's from time to time, governments do come up with programs that they give out grants to small and medium-sized businesses. So if your business is not registered, even though you meet the criteria, you cannot get this grant. Okay, because one of the things that they will need from you is your certificate of registration, whether it's a business name or a limited liability company. They will need that from you. Okay, and if you don't have it already, that means whether it's in your niche or whether it's in your field, whether the grant is meant for the kind of business you do, you won't even be eligible to register for it. Okay, so another thing is for you to get loans. Okay, when you get your business registered, you can then get a bank account, and from your bank account you have evidence to show people, okay, creditors, that your business is profitable because they will see the cash flow, they will see the turnover, they will see everything there as the money passes through your bank account. So with this, you can make a case that you want to scale, and believe me, in the course of your business, the time will come that you will need to scale, and probably you don't have the money. You have customers everywhere, you have orders everywhere, but you can't meet these demands and you don't have the money. That would be the perfect opportunity for you to scale. All what you need to do is to take a loan from either your bank or from creditors, invest it, get the deal done, take your profit, return the loan. So this will also not happen if your business is not registered. Now the next point is credibility and clients' confidence. You will get more credibility, and the clients will be more confident when they are dealing with you as a business entity. Alright, so when they see you operate without registration, they just see you as a one-man business. Okay, sometimes they are scared, they might not express these fears to you, but their actions will say so. But when you are registered, some of these fears are gone. They know that you are registered and that you are no more a one-man business. Alright, so the next one is getting a corporate bank account. Guys, this is so important. I mean, this very point cannot be overemphasized. It is so important. Now, I would like to advise business owners, please don't mix up your business expenses or your business income or your business finances with your personal finances, it is one of the worst things that can happen to any business person, because you don't know what's coming in, you don't know what's coming out, you don't know when you are spending this. I mean, it's just a recipe for disaster. So please don't do it. One of the things registering your business will help you do is that you get this corporate bank account very easily, very easy, and we are still going to show you how to do that in this course. All right, so, and when once you get it, separate your finances, let your personal finances stay in your personal bank account, and every transaction must pass through, every business transaction must pass through your corporate bank account, and at the end of the month or whatever period you want, you can reconcile your books. Okay, is very, very important. It's one of the ways that shows that you are going to grow as a business. The next one is that you can bid for contracts. Okay, now if you are not registered, that means you won't even have the requirement to bid for a contract. And even if you are registered as a business name, there are still some level of contracts you can do. You can do supplies, you can do some level of contracts. Okay, but when you are not registered at all, that means you don't even have the requirement, you don't have the qualification to bid for contracts. And you know, contracts can really, really scale your business. You can get big money at once and then invest in your business and then just blow up immediately. Now lastly, is the potential for growth. Okay, people that have a growth mentality, people that see the future, that they are going to expand to maybe 5 states, 6 states, or they're going to expand beyond their country. Like we are in Nigeria, you just see, okay, in the next 5 years, I'm going to expand to 5 African countries. I mean, those kind of people will always start with registering their business. But people that are just like, let me just start this thing so that I can have food to eat. Okay, those are the kind of people that don't care about registering their business. So if you register your business, that means you have that growth mentality. You are seeing the future, you are seeing yourself grow beyond your locality. All right, so it's one of the benefits. It means that means you have the potential for growth because you are seeing it already. You have it in your mindset, and you are going to operate that mindset until you actually grow. But people that don't already have it in their mindset, they just want to run a business so that they can have food to eat and feed their families. Believe me, that's the level they are going to be, irrespective of the effort they put in it, because the mentality will not just let them go far. Alright guys, I didn't want this video to be too long. There are far many benefits than what I'm listing here, but I'm just choosing this one so that I can drive home the point that there are many benefits for you to register your business. I'll see you in the next video.